How long does a cremation process typically take? The duration of the cremation process is influenced by several factors, including the type of cremation retort, also known as a cremation chamber that's being used, the size of the individual, the equipment's operating temperature, and overall system efficiency. At FT North America, we specialize in advanced cremation systems that are designed to balance the speed, energy efficiency, and environmental compliance. On average, the cremation process for a human body takes approximately 1.5 to 3 hours. Here's a quick breakdown of what impacts that time frame. The cremation chamber operating temperature. Most modern cremation machines operate between 1600 to 1800 degrees Fahrenheit. Higher operating temperatures can accelerate the process, but it's critical to maintain efficiency and compliance with emission standards. At FT North America, our cremation systems are optimized for consistent performance at these temperatures. Number 2, the body composition and size. The weight and composition of the remains can affect the time required for complete cremation. Larger individuals will naturally take longer due to the additional mass and energy needed for incineration. On the other hand, smaller remains, such as for a pet cremation business, often require significantly less time, sometimes as little as 45 minutes to an hour and a half. Number 3, cremation equipment and system design. The efficiency of your cremation retort plays a significant role. Newer cremation systems, like those we offer at FT North America, incorporate advanced technology to improve heat retention and minimize downtime between cycles. These efficiencies not only reduce energy costs, but also ensure the process is completed as quickly as possible without compromising quality. Number 4, cooling and post-processing. After the primary cremation cycle, the remains must cool before they can be processed into a fine, uniform consistency. This cooling time typically adds another 30 to 60 minutes to the overall process, depending on system design and local protocols. While the cremation itself takes around 1.5 to 3 hours, the total timeline from start to finish, including preheating the cremation chamber, cooling, and processing, can take 3 to 4 hours per case. At FT North America, our cremation machines are designed for optimal efficiency, allowing operators to schedule multiple cremations in a day while maintaining a high standard of care. If you're considering starting a cremation business or expanding services, we're here to help you select equipment that meets your operational goals while delivering reliable, consistent performance. Let us know how we can support your next step in this process.